Hey, this is Paul, and thanks for checking out these beautiful CARA CARA oranges. Now, these are actually Kings River organic CARA CARAs, and they're available from December to March. I found these at my local Sprouts. However, they are grown around the world now, and grown conventionally, you can find these fruit, not organic, 11 months out of the year. According to the website, these are premium California citrus that are a low-acid navel variety with a slight pink flesh tone, and they're described as being sweet, mild, and the flavors are orange, berry, and cherry. So this one's just about 3/4 of a pound. Let's give it a slice. And you can see right off the bat, it's definitely not an orange color. It's a beautiful pink color. Now this has an interesting story in my opinion. It's a Citrus sinensis, which is the same cultivar variety as a Washington navel. But in Venezuela, this was found, and it was basically a mutant of the Washington navel. And I find that very interesting. So you can see that a CARA CARA will get a navel. And in other parts of the world, they call these CARA CARA, because in Spanish, that's how they pronounce it. So CARA CARA or CARA CARA. Now, either way, it's definitely a citrus that I recommend growing in. If you live in a climate where you could grow these, they actually grow well in containers, and they're a delicious, seedless, beautiful fruit that I just enjoy eating. So from what I read online, if you live in a harsher climate or an area where it gets quite cold, you could actually bring this plant inside and outside. So it will tolerate that, and it will grow great in a container. Now I'm really curious to see the sugar content of these beautiful fruit, because they're not too sweet. I definitely get like a berry vibe with an orange mixed, and they're mildly sweet is how I describe it, the ones that I've eaten. I've had them for a few years now. They've actually been around for some time. Let's see. And they're not quite as juicy as some of the other citrus, but they have plenty of juices. So 8 1/10. So I've had a sumo this season that was double that. It was in the 16s. So generally that's on the lower side, and about 8% of this is sugar. You can see these are consistent. So not as sweet as say some of the mandarins and other sweeter varieties that get into the 12s or the teens, but that's okay. Because this is just such a unique citrus. You must try one, and now you can find them 11 months out of the year. So hunt some down and try a CARA CARA or CARA CARA, depending on how you want to pronounce it. Beautiful citrus. Again, they are related to navels, so you will sometimes find a navel on some of these beautiful citrus. Really like the scent, the flavor, everything about this fruit. You can use these in cooking, and they just enhance your dishes as well. So there you go, the CARA CARA orange, a beautiful mutant citrus. I'm glad that they are available, and you can even grow these on your own. Give us a like and a subscribe. Thanks for your time. Have yourself a wonderful day. Thanks for watching. Take care.